Hey guys, welcome to another Formtitan one-on-one video on how to display all your Salesforce events information using a Formtitan calendar. So in the last video, what we discussed was this. When we set up a calendar and we showed all our events in our Salesforce org. However, how do I click each of these events and see what's really in it, or what is the information? And in this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's go back into a form builder and let's make this a tiny bit smaller. Let's go ahead and bring a section over. Let's make it bigger. And back to our Salesforce, what we're going to use, we're going to display information using subject, start time, end time, and date. So to do that, I'm going to bring a text box field which will pull through the subject. And the next field I'm going to bring is date, time. And I'm going to call this, let's make it big down here. I'm going to call this start, date, time. And then I'm going to bring another one over. I'm going to call this end, date, time. Let's make this a little bit bigger. Perfect. Once this is done, I can quickly align these fields. There you go. Now, we've got all the fields here. How do we make sure that when we click it, the data displays in here? Okay, our final piece of the puzzle is a hidden field. Okay, and I'm going to call this hidden field activity ID. And what will happen is when I click any of the entries in the calendar, this will feed the activity ID into the hidden field, and we will use the data to display in here using the ID in the hidden field. Let me show you how that's done. We'll go into our get. So we already set up a get saying bring me all my events. Now we're going to add another one, and we are going to say event. See, there we go, event. Bring event using ID. Condition is going to be in my Salesforce, my activity ID must equal my my hidden field activity ID. Let's go ahead and map our field. Our subject is going to be the subject from Salesforce. Our start and date time will be start and date time, and our end date time will be end and date time. Click apply and finish. Let's go ahead and now configure our map. In general, we have to make sure that event, bring me all my events, will send the return value to our hidden field here. Click apply, save, let's test it. We'll go into our preview, and there you have it. You can click, and this is now returning the ID here. This is now using the ID from here to populate the values in here. We click, as you can see, the dates are here, the time is here, the subject is here, straight from our Salesforce. Go into our contact. Let's go into Joe Blogs. Let's go to the activity. As you can see, there's a Formtitan event scheduled for the 17th, which is right here, 2:45, 3:45 a.m., 3:45, 4:45 a.m. And there you have it. That's how you do it. That's how you get data in your calendar and display it within your from your Salesforce org directly into Formtitan calendar. Thank you for watching this video.